Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to design this toggle button using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. So let's start. So for this example I am using a CodePen editor. So first of all I will start with the markup. So inside HTML tab I will create one div element and assign a class of container. Inside this container I will design this toggle button. So inside this container I will create a div element and assign a class of toggle-button. So using this div element, I will design the outer layout of the toggle button. So that is this gray layout of the toggle button. Inside this toggle-button element, I will create another div element and assign a class of inner circle. So using this inner circle div element, I will design the actual button which is inside this toggle button, that is this white button. So in order to design this, I will use a CSS. So first of all, I will select this class container and move this container to the center of the web page, horizontally as well as vertically. So I will write dot container. First of all, I will make its position absolute. From the top side, I move this container by the 50%. Similarly, from the left side, 50%. Then I will use a transform property to translate it minus 50% from the X side and the minus 50% from the Y side. Now the container is on the center of the web page, horizontally as well as vertically. Now I will select this toggle-button class and design it. So for that I will write a dot followed by the class name. So I will write toggle-button. So first of all I will define the width and height of the toggle button. So I will write a width 80 pixel and the height 40 pixel. Then I will give the by default background color to this toggle button. So I will write background property and assign a gray color. So as you can see, we have created one div element having the width of 80 pixel and the height of 40 pixel, having the background color of gray. Now I will curve its border by using a border radius property. So I will write a border radius 30 pixel. So as you can see, we have curved its border. Now we'll give the padding 5 pixel. Now I will design the inner circle element which is inside this toggle-button. So I will copy it and paste it. Inside that I will select dot inner circle. So first of all I will define the width and height of this inner circle. So I will write width 40 pixel. Then the height 40 pixel. And I will give the background white. So as you can see, the square is created having the width of 40 pixel and the height of 40 pixel and the background color of white. Now I will convert it into a circle shape by using a border radius property. So I will write a border -radius 50%. So as you can see, we have converted the square into the circle by using this border radius property. Now when I click on this button, I need to change its background color, that is the background color of this toggle-button class, and move this inner circle to the right side by pushing it from the left side. So for the demonstration, I will assign an active class to it so that we can see the effects. So when I added active class to this toggle-button, so I will copy this, write dot active, which means when I added active class to this toggle-button, I will make its background to sky blue color, that is having the hex value of 00ACEE. So as you can see, we have changed its background color when it's in active state, and move this inner circle to the right side by pushing it from the left side by some distance. So I will copy this. When it's in active state, I will go inside that and select the inner circle and pushing it from the left side by some distance. So I will give the margin left 40 pixel. So as you can see, we have pushed this circle from the left side to the right side by giving this margin left property. Now I will remove this active class. Now I just want to toggle this active class on this toggle-button. So for that I will write a on-click event handler on this toggle-button. I will write an inline JavaScript So first of all, I will select this toggle hyphen button element. So I will write this dot class list property. Then I will execute a toggle function. Inside this function, I need to pass an argument. So argument will be the class name which I want to toggle on this element. So it's active element, active class. So as you can see, when I click on this button, it will add an active class to this element, and again click on it, it will remove the active class. So in order to make its animation smooth, I will write transition property in toggle hyphen button. So I will write a transition all duration of 300 milliseconds and the effect name, that is ease in out. I will copy this line and paste it inner circle also. So it will give the transition of 300 millisecond and the effect name of ease in out. So as you can see, when I click on this button, it will smoothly toggles on and smoothly toggles off. So this is the way using the HTML, CSS and JavaScript you can design a simple toggle button. So thanks for watching. If you like this video, then please hit like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks.